Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on Vanguard website step by step. First, sign in and verify your account security, then confirm your brokerage is funded. Next, navigate to the Trade tab and choose Stocks as your order type, enter the ticker symbol, select Market or Limit Order, set the share quantity, review fees, and submit the trade while monitoring confirmations and account balances for accuracy. Start by searching for the stock using its ticker symbol, then open the quote page to review price history and key stats. Look at performance charts and read analyst commentary to gauge momentum and risk. Examine fundamentals such as revenue and earnings, check recent news and filings, and decide if the current valuation fits your strategy before preparing an order on the trade screen. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like to help more viewers learn basic investing steps. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and investing, and it's a friendly companion to learning stock buying. Check the description for the link and other deals on resources you might like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you place an order, choose the right account and confirm buy as the action, then pick Market or Limit depending on execution preference. For limit orders, set your target price and duration. For market orders, expect immediate fill at current price. Enter share quantity or dollar amount, review estimated commissions or fees, and confirm the order while keeping an eye on available cash and unsettled funds to avoid rejection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.